spot and it
Sorry, baby.
is
Come here.
able to do.
For he hath patience here.
They got cookies.
On this map.
It's probably from those bigger kittens.
It was real.
I see you trying to run away.
Because we live.
Hi, handsome.
You're so.
You're so cute.
In the end,
I'm sorry you got a good
we never-
cry. Where are you going, Rogue? You're always trying to crawl away somewhere by yourself. Come back, silly. Your brother
He was
loves
armed
you.
with a
Your brother loves you. Let me see your eye, baby. Oh, it's Cookie.
spear.
Those big kitties got you cooties. I had to bring them up here because
Accountable.
their cousins were beating them up. These guys. Hold on. Swaddle some kittens.
Mounting recommend.
Come on, Rogue.
What they mean?
Fielding.
Come by your brother. He crawled out of the swaddle.
Eve.
This is Frankie. Frankie loves the little swaddle.
And like the other
We were beating you up, baby. I'm sorry. I save you.
lately more than
Let me see his tail.
You know,
husband.
I'm full of you.
Rogue is silly. You look like a chipmunk, Rogue.
Know about.
You got the stripes. Oh, sorry, baby.
Projects.
Scared.
I got him, Mama.
I think it gives
She's on the floor nursing her nieces. The big cats don't seem to intervene when the older kittens are not. Why are you sleeping all alone, baby?
penetrating question.
Yeah, that's a penetrating question. Why do you always want to be alone, Rogue? You don't want to be bothered. Come here. Come here, honey. The fan is blowing right on you, and you can't regulate yourself yet.
Patients at the.
Okay? I know you want to be a man of mystery. You want to be a man of mystery. You want to do the big pouty.
Yeah.
I know. You want to be a big pouty. I got him.
To take care of their mother.
I have him right here, baby. I have him, baby.
Here, here.
Look at that little tongue. Come here, Tibby. Look at him. You're crawling, honey.
Revenue.
You're really trying to get away from me.
Hey, Sarah.
I came this down.
But ready to kill myself.
To be.
I cracked myself up. Gave myself an asthma attack. While I was choking on phlegm. Pardon me while I saved my life. Honey. Look at him. Hold on, baby. You cannot. I'm having an asthma attack. Hold on. Okay. You can't be around that. That's messy. Frankie loves this swaddle. Hold on, guys. Hold on.
Great.
Hold on. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Put your shirt back. Oh, that sweet baby.
Enjoy daily food.
Hold on, guys. You're okay. You're okay. The spirit sing them a song while they're visually impaired. Oh no, he's big angry. You're little kind, don't be big angry. It's okay. We gotta learn to master our emotions. I know you want to be alone and pouty. You're a man of mystery. But Frankie needs you too. You guys are in this together. You're brothers. You're brothers.
Watch over.
His best years.
Yes. Give me a
Power and bless.
five. Oh man, he's angry. He's a force to be reckoned
Roll in the
with.
faith.
Oh, look at that little baby cheetah and panther.
There weren't many.
Oh, look at all this dog hair. It's everywhere.
Yeah.
Look at him. Isn't he cute, Spirit?
And the
You're going to have those eyes seed about. Yes. I'm going to make a hot tea
Wherever
bag.
people.
I'm going to make a nice hot tea bag, chamomile. I think that'll release the gunks. And keep you away from those
Agency.
hooligans. Baby, you need to relax. You're angry? Man, you're getting strong. Look at you. You will not be
I'd
contained.
evangelize.
You will not be
Hey, but no-
contained. Look at this man. What?
no new info on
But what are you doing to Frankie? Where's Frankie? Oh, Frankie. You're being trampled, Frankie. And your butt is slipping. You settle down, sir. Hold on, guys. No, I'm not having it. You had a chance. We're going in tight. You're just going to be caught up. And look at poor Frankie. Look what you're doing. You're okay. Granny's got you.
He is.
We gotta forgive those guys, okay? We can't still just be upset about it.
I think so.
Calm down. You need a boobies? You need your mama? Come on, let's find mama. That's what you need. I'm up here exploiting you. You need your mama.
Purity.
Come on. As I'm still exploiting you.
Deep down.
Mommy, you were enjoying your little 5 minutes away, huh? You needed that.
the head of the
You needed that. You needed it. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Here's those babies, and they're so perfect. Look at them. Stop leaving them with those big old kitties. They're big kitties now. And they think these guys are little mouse rats. Look at those little stubby tails, just like their mama. Look at your tail. Just like you.
And Tony.
What a good mommy she is. Look at you, Tippy. You got babies.
Servo.
You love your babies, huh?
Did you meet
Where
her?
are your nieces at? You're a boy mom, huh, Tip?
and stripped himself.
Those are both boys. Okay, I'll let you take care of that on your own.
No motion.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna go.
Wait, Paul.
Love you. Bye, Spirit.
Ross.
What? Rick Ross?
Oh.
I can't hear you.
Marion Wall.
Oh, Tippy, say goodnight. Say goodnight.
And the women.
I love you, Tips.
Wait.
Good night, Frankie. Good night, Rogue.
God, video.